Hi, it's Tim at Engine Factory. We just finished building this beautiful 383 Chevrolet 500 horsepower turnkey package engine for our customer's 1979 Camaro Z28 with the Holley Sniper fuel injection system. Go over some of the highlights on the engine build. With the late model 4-bolt main block, 1-piece rear main seal, double roller timing chain, brand new balancer. Customer wanted the Mutha Thumpr Roller lifter camshaft. We installed that in there. AFR aluminum cylinder heads. All the roller rocker arms fully adjusted and set. Brass freeze plugs. Engine block is painted the Chevrolet orange. Correct oil pan for the 79 Z28. It's real nice Davis unified ignition wires on there. All the wire markers are on the wires. All the wire looms all set up, ready to go. It's real nice air gap intake manifold. Thermostat housings on there with the 2 extra coolant ports on there for any extra switches if needed. Holley Sniper fuel injections on there. Throttle return spring, throttle cable ball. Chevrolet orange air cleaner with the matching valve covers. Every engine is live run at the Engine Factory and test it. You'll get a video of your engine running in a stand. Manifold vacuum reading, water temperature, oil pressure, cold and hot. Timing will be set. The Holley menu screen again will be completely all the settings set, ready to go for the customer. Plug and play. We have the HEI distributor on there, set in place. It's the correct distributor for the 79 Z28. We have the standard flywheel on here with the ARP flywheel bolts, pilot bushings installed. This is the correct tooth count and balance for the 383 Chevrolet. High torque mini starter. All the heavy duty Russell fuel line and loop clamps, gas filters installed, PCV ventilation line, heavy duty Russell line on there. This is our 383 500 horsepower Holley Sniper EFI turnkey engine ready to go. Thanks for watching.